Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. I'm on Twitter and social media, obviously, and I do scour the posts specifically from other drivers to get a feel for where the community is at, what the thought process is, why are people doing still rideshare? Because the complaints are plenty, right? However, there are 7.5 million people on the Uber platform currently active drivers, and that number is up from 5 million. It's up close to 50% in a year. So why is that? If it's so bad, why is everybody still driving, right? So I saw this tweet from Sam Vance, and he says, there is no options for me to get away from full-time Uber driving. Any job I could get quickly does not pay what I currently make, even with expenses. I need a professional salaried position, and that involves an employer hiring someone with 7 years of rideshare experience. Now, when you're applying for jobs, do you use or do you put Uber driving on your resume? Should you? I think you should. I think Uber driving teaches a lot of great things to drivers, such as dealing with people, which in this day and age is an art, actually, because a lot of people are lacking that talent. Another thing is, this is why people are driving, right? Compared to a W-2 with schedules, with, let's say, minimum wage earnings, Uber driving, as bad as it may be, still, after even expenses, is beating a regular W-2 job. So what do you think? What is your opinion? Is that why you're driving? I mean, I had done videos in the past, popular ones, talking about people should have a reality check. Well, this gentleman seems like he had that reality check. He's looking for a W-2, but he says he cannot quit Uber driving on a full-time basis because any W-2 he's going to get at a minimum wage still going to be less than what he's earning after his expenses on Uber. So there is a point to doing rideshare. There is a point to the gig economy, right? And it's not all bad. Obviously, I talk quite a bit about lower earnings, safety, and unjust deactivations and all those things. However, it's an alternative to a regular W-2 with minimum pay. Should we get paid minimum pay with the risks that are involved in rideshare? Of course not. That's not the topic, though. The topic is, if somebody were to sit down and figure out the numbers and compare a W-2 to Uber driving with the flexibility that it offers, a lot of people, just like I said, 7.5 million people around the globe are choosing to be involved in the gig economy, one shape or another, as opposed to getting a regular job. So with that said, please be safe out there and join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, for Show Me the Money on our YouTube channel.